Hi everybody, I'm back in the kitchen today. Yep, I am. Oh, I heard Maggie May, but I don't see her now. Okay, we are going to make how-to strawberry rhubarb cobbler. I'm going to put everything down in the description box so you can make it. Where it says more in the description box, it just keeps going to tell you more about what I'm making. So let's get started. I'm going to bring you down. Here we go. There. We're going to start by taking a 2-quart baking dish right here. That's what you're going to bake it in at 350 degrees. We're going to start with 2 cups of rhubarb and 2 cups of strawberries. And I didn't want to bore you. I cut them up in about 1-inch pieces, so I'd have it all done, so we could just move right along here, just like this. These strawberries I bought, but this is strawberry rhubarb right here from my garden. We have absolutely beautiful rhubarb. I'm hoping to do a few more recipes, and also I have a great rhubarb bread that you must try. And I'll put that in the link down below. Okay, we have that. So now we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, just like this. Get that done. And we're going to put some wonderful vanilla in. And if you could smell this, this is Mexican vanilla. I love that. I brought back quite a bit of Mexican vanilla when I was in Mexico. And yes, you can bring it across the border. Just letting you know. Okay, you need a 1/2 cup of sugar. And I use stevia. And we're going to reserve 2 tablespoons. And I've already got that put aside. So we're going to put this in like this. And I'm going to give it a little stir. Just to incorporate everything. Just like this. Put some more in. There we go. I've got the oven heating up now so that this can go in. Feels good to be back in the kitchen. I don't know who's going to get this cobbler, but somebody will. Because we can't, well, we could eat it in moderation because it does have sugar-free. Just got to watch out for the strawberries and the white flour that's going to be coming in it. And now you want a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Oh, the smell of cinnamon, that's always good, isn't it? Just like that. Let's mix it in a little bit. There we go. Just like this. Okay, let me turn my page of notes here. Gotta have notes. Okay. In the second bowl. Whoops, hold on please. I gotta get Maggie. Okay, Maggie is all situated. Now, we're going to take another bowl, medium-sized bowl. Just like this. And we're going to put flour in it. You dump the 1 cup of flour in, just like that. Then we've got some baking powder. Just like that. And I use Himalayan salt. You can use whatever you want, but that's our preference. Let me just give it a little stir. There you go. A little dabadooya there. And now, let's see what we're going to do here on the next step. Whoops, sorry. Didn't mean to jiggle the camera. Let me turn the page here. Okay. Next, we're going to take 4 tablespoons of butter, just like this. And it says you want to use a pastry blender and incorporate the butter in. What I think I'm going to do first to make things a lot easier, I just had my pastry blender out, yeah. I'm just gonna go like this, just to help it along a little. And this is unsalted butter, 4 tablespoons. And you wanna take this out of the refrigerator just before you get ready to use it. Oh, goodness. Now this is a new recipe. I've not made it like this. I've made cobblers, but not this way before. So I'm anxious to see what it's gonna taste like. I bet it's gonna be yummy. And this is a pastry blender, if nobody knows what it is. Oops, did you just hear my oven make a beep? I did. Just wanna incorporate this in. You wanna make it like pea size. And what I'm gonna do is shut you off while I do this, so I'm not taking your time, and I'll show you. Okay, you wanna see, this is what it looks like right here. And we're also now going to put the reserved 2 tablespoons of sugar-free sugar in it, sugar-free sugar. We're putting stevia in it. I'm looking here, right before my eyes. And we're just gonna mix this up just a little. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that buttermilk and we're gonna pour it right in, just like this. And let's use this. I like to use a little potato mixer for a lot of things that I do. This is gonna make the dough that you're gonna put on top. Just like this. There you go. It's gonna finish that right up, just like that. Looks like this is gonna work up just dandy. Yep, it sure does. Okay, looking good. My stove's all ready. Take everything we can off here. There, and I'll just mix it with a fork now. And like I said, this dough will go on top. Just like that. Oh, this looks good. I think this is gonna be really yummy. Look at that. That looks good. So what we're gonna do now, whoops, sorry about that. My grandmother wouldn't like all these cleaning of the dishes. We're gonna take our mixture. We're gonna pour it right in. Just like this. Everything mixed together smells so good. And everything will be, like I said, be right down in the description box below where you can find it easy. Oh gosh, I can't believe I'm doing so much clinging. My grandmother would not like this. She doesn't like banging of the bowls. She never did. There, everything looks good. Let's clean up just a few things. I got a little bit of clean working space here. A lot easier when things are clean. And while this is baking, I'll do my dishes. Now look at that. There's the dough going on. It says you can take like tablespoons of dough, like 2 tablespoons, and scoop it over. I'll just go like this. I am ambidextrous. I can use my hand right or left in case you didn't know that. I was blessed. I'm gonna do it just like this. It says spread it out, but there's gonna be plenty of dough here. I can't wait for it to come out. And I'm sure you can't either. And please, if you've made this, let me know. And if you're gonna make it, please let me know how you like it. Oh, this is gonna be perfect. Look at that. Yum, yum. Just like this. It's gonna add a little bit dabadoo there. And let me see, we'll put a little bit there. Okay, now this is going in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. And we'll see you back. Okie dokie. Hi everybody, Mr. R is here to try the strawberry rhubarb cobbler. And he said, is that a cookie on top? And I said, no, it's a dough made like a cookie. So he's gonna give us a taste test and I'm gonna go down in. Okay, Ray, you can scoop that one right out.
This one here?
Yeah.
Yeah, make sure
you scoop it right out.
Oh boy, look at that. Gotta make sure we get it all too.
Okay. And that doesn't need.
Looks good.
You might want to put it close to you so you don't get drippies anywhere. That looks good.
Looks good. Okay, here we go, people.
I want your honest opinion because
out there in YouTube land.
You said a fork or a spoon. I said spoon. Maybe you needed a fork.
No.
No?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. He just got done having his dinner. Go ahead.
This is strawberry and rhubarb, right?
Cobbler. Yep.
Cobbler.
And this is sugar-free. It's done with stevia. You can use any sugar-free product you want. And tell me your honest opinion.
Yep. And yes, I would eat it again.
You would eat it again?
Yep. See can you see that?
The dough. Yep. Does the dough taste like a cookie?
No.
Just like a pastry dough.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, like a pastry dough.
Yeah, that's good. Is it because you don't get much sweets or is it really good?
It is good.
It is good. And that's rhubarb from our house that Mr. R picked last night for me. All right. You could also have a scoop of ice cream on this, but Mr. R can't have it. So anyway, folks, I'd like to say thanks for joining in with us for Grammys DT. No, not DT Meals and Snacks. I've already done that. I'm tired. Thank you for coming into Grammy's Kitchen today. And we will see you tomorrow. And you never know what's going to be on our videos. 1 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up.
2. If I had 3, I'd give you 3.
Oh, if you had, that's good. Okay, folks, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.
Bye.